Everyone thinks the best-selling RV roof sealant is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant 1 gallon. Let's kick things off with the Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant in a 1-gallon size, priced at $79.95. What really caught my attention here is its professional-grade formula and bestseller status, backed by over 2,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want a reliable, flexible, waterproof solution, this is worth a serious look. For starters, it creates a flexible waterproof membrane that not only prevents leaks but adapts to temperature changes. This is crucial for RV owners looking to protect their investment while keeping the interior dry. It's compatible with a range of surfaces including EPDM, TPO, and fiberglass, which means it can handle various RV types. Plus, it boasts solar reflective properties that lower interior temperatures, potentially saving you money on cooling costs. Now, some users have pointed out that the application can be a bit tricky, especially if the temperature isn't just right. But here's the thing. If you follow the instructions and apply it at the recommended temperatures between 50 degrees F and 90 degrees F, you'll likely achieve great results. This sealant is perfect for those weekend warriors looking to tackle a DIY project without needing special tools. This is perfect for you if you're someone who enjoys hands-on maintenance and wants to ensure their RV stays leak-free. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest some time into the application process. For under $80, it offers great value for those serious about RV upkeep. Now, if the application concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant 5 gallon. Next up is the Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant in a 5-gallon size, priced at $299.95. This larger option also has a strong 4.6-star rating from 1,200 reviews, making it another bestseller. If you want to cover more area without compromising on quality, this is a solid choice. The same flexible waterproof membrane works here, ensuring that you get the leak protection you need. Plus, the solar reflective properties are still in play, helping you keep your RV cool under the sun. With a coverage of about 30 feet for one pail, it's designed to provide lasting results, up to 10 years if applied correctly. However, some buyers mention that the price might seem steep compared to smaller quantities. But here's the thing, if you're an avid RVer or have multiple projects in mind, buying in bulk like this not only saves you time but can also save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're maintaining a larger RV or planning multiple applications. Skip this one if you only need a small touch-up. For what you get, it's a worthwhile investment for serious RV enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for maximum stretch and flexibility. Product number 3, Ames MSS 1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating. The next product is the Ames MSS 1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating, available for just $44.90. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews, it's a great budget-friendly option. If you want a sealant that stretches and bends without cracking, this is worth considering. What caught my eye is its impressive 650% elongation capability. This means it can expand and contract with your RV's movements and temperature changes, which is essential for preventing peeling or cracking over time. The 88% light reflectivity also means lower cooling costs, perfect for those hot summer trips. It adheres well to multiple surfaces and is non-toxic, which is a nice bonus for eco-conscious users. One downside noted by some is that it may not be as durable in extreme weather as higher-end options. But here's the thing, if you're primarily using your RV in milder climates or for short trips, this might not be a deal-breaker. It's a reliable, affordable solution for those who want to keep their RV protected without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or just need a quick fix. Skip this one if you plan to use your RV in very harsh conditions. For under $50, it's a great value for its performance. Now, if you're looking for a complete repair kit, let's check out something a bit more comprehensive. Product number 4, Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating 30 FT Leak Repair Kit. Next, we have the Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating 30 FT Leak Repair Kit, priced at $499.95. This one has garnered a 4.5-star rating from 151 reviews. If you're after a complete system to tackle significant leaks, this is an option that deserves your attention. The flexible waterproof membrane ensures that you're covered against leaks, while the solar reflective properties help keep your RV cool. This kit is particularly beneficial for those with larger jobs, as it covers a significant area and is designed for long-lasting performance. However, some users found the price to be a bit overwhelming, especially if they don't have a big job lined up. But here's the thing, if you're facing multiple leaks or have an older RV, investing in this kit could ultimately save you from further costly repairs down the road. This is perfect for you if you want a complete solution for extensive roof maintenance. Skip this one if you're just looking for a small touch-up. For the comprehensive nature of this kit, the price reflects great value in the long run. Finally, let's talk about a great option for those smaller areas that need sealing. Product number 5, Liquid Rubber RV Lap Sealant. Last but not least is the Liquid Rubber RV Lap Sealant, which comes in a pack of 4 for $49.95. With a 4.6-star rating based on 543 reviews, it's ideal for specific sealing needs. If you want a sealant that flows easily and creates a waterproof barrier, this is definitely worth your attention. This self-leveling sealant is designed to flow into horizontal areas, making it great for RV vents, skylights, and roof seams. The flexible nature helps it to adapt as your RV moves, preventing leaks effectively. It's specifically formulated to work with various materials, ensuring good adherence when applied correctly. Some users mention that it doesn't adhere well to silicone, which can be a hassle if you're trying to seal areas that were previously done with silicone sealant. But here's the thing, if you prep the surface properly by removing old silicone, you're in for a solid seal that can keep your RV safe from leaks. This is perfect for you if you're looking to seal up small areas without a fuss. Skip this one if you need a full roof coating. At under $50 for 4 tubes, it's a great value for targeted sealing needs. So there you have it. We covered a range of options from budget-friendly sealants to comprehensive repair kits. Whether you need something for a small leak or a full roof overhaul, there's something for everyone on this list. Choose wisely and your RV roof will thank you.